Can I beg it so? Can it be true? Nature's breath. Can you show? Nature, can we live inside like the breath with its head? Can you show me that freedom when nature moves just like that? By upwind, can we sing in the rain, in the nature pouring down? No tears here. This waterfall is just perfect, nice and chill, tropical. I'm saying, let's have a coconut. I'm enjoying the birds, how they're singing around you. Can the honey be so sweet, buzzing so? Can I find this love between and truly between us like this? Can I see it in my mind? Dreaming when I'm sleeping, wake up to the miracle to know you're just there in the nature's breath. Can we camp it out? See this globe in this nature stage. Can we listen very carefully to the melody of the birds singing in the morning light? Can we be so sharp with each other in our time? Privacy is all I need. Some time with you makes a delight in my mind. I got it right now. So can it be so true? How I offer this nature, how I move with this nature. Come back from nothing to show you I'm right here. You can touch me with this reality like a vision in the mind of nature. Take it in a breath into your lung. Don't exhale too fast. Make sure that breath fresh and clean. How delicious it is. Breathing it right in. Knowing that smell of nature's tree. The privilege we have earned with each other to know they ain't to go our backs. I got it right with you, so just keep taking. And I offer this head. I'm showing you this trust. I'm letting you in. Show me nature. Open that door. Don't do that enchantment. Show me how innocent. I'm saying, can you open my breath right up? Wake me up to show me this nature. How I offer my head to show that breath. How you take it from me. How you got me excited. Just like that. You got it supernatural. This nature how I offer this head for that breath. Can you know how I feel about you inside this heart, going to my mind, into my body, a rush of adrenaline with this nature's breath. Just take it in and breathe. Keep breathing like a soulmate. I wanna be here for life, taking this meaning into my mind. In a split second, I'll put it together with you to know how I think. And these ideas come from our relationship. So I'm all feel like this because you already got me. I'm just bringing something up to know this nature, how I offer my head, how you breathe it so. I love it. Take a breath, a deep, deep breath with this nature so fresh and clean into our lungs, a pumping heart, this heat patting. I'm sorry, I'm not right there, right now with you. So accept my apology and welcome my love.